I was disappointed with the turner choices I found to be used with cast iron available to the general public. I explored restaurant-grade turners and found Dexter Russell cutlery. I found a good closeout price for the 4x3 hamburger turner S240.T They. It looks like the 85-849 is a replacement. I also bought the 2.5-inch Mini Turner S240. They are made in the USA. The blades are Dex Steel, a proprietary high-carbon steel, have polished rosewood handles, and have a limited lifetime warranty. There are many other blade sizes and handle choices available. The 4x3 hamburger turner has a beveled cutting edge that can be sharpened. I will caution you that the sizes given on the Dexter website are a little confusing. The overall length of the S8694 4x3 hamburger turner is listed as 9 inches. The actual length is about 11 inches. The blade length is listed as 4 inches, and it's 3 inches wide. The handle length is listed as 5 inches, and it is indeed 5 inches. 4-inch blade plus 5-inch handle equals 9 inches. Apparently, they're not counting this bend in the blade. This holds out for the size of the 2.5-inch Mini Turner S240. The website says 6.5 inches long when it's actually 7.5 inches long. A 2.5-inch blade, and about a 4-inch handle. The actual size of the blade is 2 3/8 by 2 1/4. It does an okay job at removing pie from a plate. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and thanks for watching.